So here's a common problem. There are multiple copies of an item you want, but you only want one. You could just add a single copy to your wish list, but then that would reduce your chances of getting one. Luckily, Swaptagon has a feature called a want limiter box, designed exactly for cases like this. It tells the system you'd be happy to receive any of these items, but no more than the number you specify. Let's take a look at how to use it. To start with, add every copy of the item you want to your wish list by clicking the heart icons on them. The search bar can be useful here. Then, go to your wish list page. Click the green button with the box icon on it to create a new want limiter box. You'll be presented with this form. First, choose which of your wish list items should go in the box. You can select them manually or use the search field to filter the list and then click Select All. Next, your new box needs a name. Most people will simply use the name of the items it contains, but use any name that makes sense to you. Then you can enter the number of these items you'd like to receive. The default is 1, as that's usually the number you'll want to use. The next two fields should be familiar to you, as they're the same ones that appear on every item in your wish list: value and cash offer. The difference in this case is that what you enter here applies to every item in this box. For example, if you enter a cash offer of $50, it means you're willing to pay $50 for any one item from this box. Notice how the text below automatically updates with every change you make. It should help you understand exactly what it is this limiter box will do for you. In this case, we want to receive only one of the 4 selected items below, for a total of $50 spent. Make sure you review everything and click Save when you're done. The selected items are then removed from your wish list and replaced with a single limiter box. From now on, this new box is treated the same as any other item on your wish list, with a single value and cash offer assigned to it. You'll see a brief summary of the box in its title, and you can click on an existing box anytime to view its contents. From this view page, you can also edit or delete a limiter box at any point. If you delete a box, you can choose to restore all the items it contains to your wish list, or delete them all completely if you decide you simply no longer want them. By the way, avoiding duplicate items isn't the only use for a want limiter box. It can also be used as a way to limit your spending. For example, you could put 10 different items into a limiter box, set the cash offer to $50 on all of them, but then limit the number wanted to just 3. This way, the most you could end up spending is $150, instead of being on the line for up to $500, in the event you ended up getting every single item in your list. You can create as many limiter boxes as you need for different sets of items, each with their own settings. And that's how you use Swaptagon's want limiter boxes to prevent getting too much of a good thing. Check out our other Swaptagon videos for more tips, and take a look at the Swaptagon FAQ if you'd like to learn more.